Welcome the our channel. Today we how to deploy Mailchimp, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Mailchimp website. Create an account if you don't have one. Log in to your Mailchimp account. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Click on the Audience tab in the main menu. Here, you can manage your contacts and segments. To create a new audience, click on Manage Audience, then select Create Audience. Fill in the required fields such as audience name and default. Next, navigate to the Campaigns tab. Click on Create Campaign to start your email marketing campaign. Select the type of campaign you want to create. Choose an email campaign to proceed. Enter a name for your campaign in the designated field. Select an audience for your campaign from the drop-down menu. Design your email by choosing a template that fits your style. Customize the content by adding text, images, and links. Preview your email to ensure everything looks good. Once satisfied, click Continue. Set up your email subject line and preview text. Adjust any additional settings as needed. Finally, hit the Send button or schedule your email for later. Monitor the performance of your campaign in the Reports section. Review metrics like open rates and click-through rates. Utilize insights gathered to improve future campaigns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.